Good afternoon. Good afternoon, students. Welcome back. In last class, we can discuss some of the problems. In this lesson, also we can discuss some of the problems about understanding the quadrilaterals. Next question is find x. The given figure it is. So this is the given figure. We want to find out x in both cases. So students, let's we check given figure is a quadrilateral. No, because one side, two side, three side, four side, and five side. So that means it is a pentagon. It is a pentagon. It's not a quadrilateral. Now we want to find out x value, these two values. So name this angle A, angle B, and angle E. Now this angle C and angle D. In this line, this is a extended line. This is extended line at CD line. This CD line will be extended, and this angle forms, angle C forms 70 degree and angle D forms 60 degree. Now students, we can find out this angle and this angle. So we can easily find out because this totally have 180 degree because it's on the line. So one ಇದು ಫುಲ್ಲು ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಬರೀ ಈ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿನಲ್ಲಿ 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇದೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈ ಫುಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ನ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿನಲ್ಲಿ 70 ಡಿಗ್ರಿನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಸಿ. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 180 minus 70 is equal to 110 degree. This angle is 110 degree. Then internal angle D is equal to 180 minus 60 degree is equal to 120 degree. This angle is 120 degree. Now, so we already discussed the sum of the internal angles in a pentagon. Sum of internal angles in a pentagon. In the theorem we can discuss already. The formula is n minus 2 into 180. n minus 2 into 180. Now n is how much? 5. It have 5 sides. Is it right? 5 side is. That's why we called as this is a pentagon. 5 minus 2 is 3 into 180. 3 into 180 is 540 degree. So the internal sum is, the internal sum of angle in this figure is 540 degree. Now the internal angles you can add this. First this angle is 110 degree and this angle is 120 degree. See here we can prove. Plus the given angle is 30 degree, plus this angle is x and this angle is x. These are the sum of internal angles. Now ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. is equal to 540 degree. Is equal to 540 degree. Now 120 plus 110 degree is 260 degree. Sorry, 120 plus 110 is 230 degree. 230 plus 30 is 260 degree. X plus x is 2x is equal to 540 degree. Now just you can this 260 sent to RHS happen minus 260. So 2x is equal to 540 minus ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಇದು RHS ಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರೋದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮೈನಸ್ 260 degree. So 540 minus 260 degree is 280 degree. ನಾವು ನಮಗೆ ಬರೀ x ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ x is equal to 2ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 280 divided by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 1s 240s. ಸೊ x is equal to 140 degree. ಇವೆರಡು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ 140 degree ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫೈಂಡ್ x. Find x. Before we are going to discuss this figure, I will give one summary for this. Suppose here I carted one line. That means these two lines are equal. I carted these two angles and two lines. That means these two lines are equal. 3 means these two lines are equals. the understanding of lines. But observe this figure, all the angles and all the sides are equal. All the angles and all the sides are equal. This is one angle x. ಇದು angle x ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಲು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೈಡ್ಸು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೊಂದೇ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸೆ, ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸು, ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸು, ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸು. They give us only x, we can easily find out all the angles is x. How many x will be formed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X plus x plus x plus x plus x is equal to 540. Again, how it come 540? The number of sides will be 5. N minus 2 into 180 degree. N minus 2 is equal to 180 degree. It happen 540 degree. The number of side will be n is equal to 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 into, it is 3 into 180 degrees, 540 degree. So number of internal, the sum of internal angle is 540 degree. We get by formula n minus 2 is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. Then add 5, these 5x happen 5x and 540 as it is. Now x, this 5 goes to denominator. You can simplify this. 5 ones are 508. That means it will be happen x is equal to 108 degree. Next will be find the measures of each interior angle of a regular polygon. Find the measure of each interior angle of a regular polygon. Regular polygon means a polygon which have all sides and all angles are equals. That means first one they given condition 9 sides, second one given 15 sides. Now we know that the sum of exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. We already prove in the theorem. First one, 9 sides means 9 angles, because it's a regular polygon. If it is sides are same, angles are also same. ಎಷ್ಟು side ಇರ್ತಾವೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ angle ಇರ್ತವೆ. So 9 sides is equal to 9 angles. Let each angle is equal to x. Each angle is equal to x, then 9x is equal to 360 degree. We get x is equal to 360 divided by 9 is equal to x is equal to 40 degree. 9 side ಇರುವಂತಹ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, 40 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಲೈಕ್ that 15 sides, 15x is equal to 360 degree. X is equal to 360 divided by 15. So if you are cancelling this, we get 24 degree. X is equal to 24 degree. Like that you can solve this. Next, move on to the next question. How many sides does a regular polygon have? Each of his interior angle is 165 degree. ಒಂದು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾಲಿಗಾನ್ ಒಳಗೆ how many sides does, ಎಷ್ಟು sides ಸೇರಿ ಒಂದು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾಲಿಗಾನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ if it is angle is 165 degree. So we know that regular polygons means it's a equal sides and equal angles. Is it right? So let's number of sides means x. Then number of angles also x. Why? Because number of sides equal to number of angles in a regular polygon. So the sum of interior angles of a regular polygon is equal to x minus 2 into 180 degree. Here n ಹೋಗಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ x ಆಗಿದೆ, because angles are x. So n replaced by x, so x minus 2 into 160 degree. Here the number of interior angles, what's the condition given? 165, and number of sides will be x. So 165 into x is equal to x minus 2 into 180 degree. 165 into x is 165x. 180 into x is 180x minus 2 into 180 is 360. Now 165, this comes to LHS happen plus 2 minus 180x minus 360.